Hi, my friend. How are you in this century? This is Casey. Nice to see you. Today, we'd like to share some our SS zipper and SS slider for you. Look at all these zippers are made by stainless steel material. So you can see this quality. This is a strong magnetic. It cannot be attached. But this one, look at, it can be attached very easily. Because for this model, we are using the long material is a 430, okay? And this one is a 304. So now let me show you some finished zipper also. You can see this one. This is also made by 304. See, it's not easy to be attached by here. But the YZ slider can be attached easily because this SS YZ slider, which we use the different material, so it can be attached. You can see. Okay, now let me show you more zipper first. Okay, come to this side. Okay, see here, we also are serving the zipper, which after gapping. I mean, this is a long chain, but with gapping length already. So we can check this one. This one also cannot be attached easily by strong magnetic. But this one, you see, it can be catch strong. Of course, this price is much cheaper than the weaker magnetic, so much, at least 20% more lower than this one, okay? So which quality you like, you can send email to us. And now, let me show you the YZ slider. So you can see this is a SSYG slider, which material is stainless steel, but all these are made by glass. So now I show you for SS, we also have a two model. Look at this one. The magnetic table can catch the slider very easily. And look at this one, it cannot be catched because this material is different with this one. For this quality, we can share our needle detector video for you. For this quality, slider can pass the Hashima needle detector machine one by one. If you put two pieces together, then sometimes can pass, sometimes cannot pass. So for this one, we just can make guarantee for one piece is pass the needle detector machine by A grade 1.0, okay? And now let's see this brass, okay? Brass, we also have a magnetic and non-magnetic two model. This one is magnetic, okay? Because the spring with the magnetic, okay?